Look at these cutie pies. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make these Christmas gnomes from using Dollar Tree ornaments and 2 pair of your favorite superhero socks. All right, let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to Julie Jules World. What we're going to be using is some ornaments from Dollar Tree, some sand. You can get these from Dollar Tree as well, sand. As I go, you see exactly what you need. Get yourself 2 pairs of socks. Now, I purchased these a long time ago from Target, I think it was. I think Walmart carries them too as well. You just have to look really good. There's other stores that carry them, but I did purchase mine from Target. And if you don't want the theme of Batman or anything else, you can also purchase Dollar Tree socks. You can go for just the regular plain gnomes, okay? You don't have to be nothing fancy like this is. Get your ornament, and then what you're gonna do is fill it with just sand. If you have sand, if you have rice, fill it with rice as well. Get yourself a funnel. Just wanna pour about that much. Put the cap back on there. Let's get us some socks. Once again, you can purchase these as well from Dollar Tree. Turn that over. Get yourself some rubber bands. Head to the beauty supply store and get these. Cut that piece off here. Some glue in it. You can also purchase this from Dollar Tree. Put some glue right around here. Then just go ahead and pull it tight. Pull tightly in there. And then we're gonna just put a rubber band on top of that. And then we cover it. And then we just cover it down like that. What we're gonna do now is get our socks. Cut the 2 hands and the 2 legs out of there. So what you're gonna do first off is you're gonna cut this part right here. And that's what you wanna have right now. Those 2 right there. We're gonna make the legs and the arms out of this one here. And to make the legs and the arms, we're going to cut this end piece right here, straight up, like this. Because we're gonna do the other side, right here. And we're gonna do that one like that. You don't need this anymore, so you're gonna put that middle part out. You're gonna open it up like that. And what are we gonna do is cut the whole middle part right here in half. We're just gonna half it right here, okay? And cut right down in the middle of that. And then you're gonna do the same thing for this one here. Right down in the middle of that one. There we go. That's it. Now you have 2 arms, and now you have 2 legs. You can get yourself some fur from Joann's. You want to. Fur is not cheap, guys. It can be pricey. If you don't want to spend too much money, you can go to Dollar Tree and then you can get yourself a teddy bear. Make your beard, because like I said, you know, you can still work with Dollar Tree stuff. Get yourself a teddy bear, cut it, and then make yourself a fur. I have fur here, but I'm not gonna use these fur here because I want to show you example on this guy here, just in case you need to go get yourself a teddy bear. So we're gonna have to cut him. Oh my God, Lord help me. Kids, this is just for tutorial purposes. Please do not try this at home. Let your parents do the cutting and everything else. And cut his head, oh Lord. No, I feel bad, I don't wanna cut his head. Okay, let me go ahead. I'm sorry, guys. I'm terrible. Let me go ahead and try to cut around. Yeah, just kind of start with his bottom part. So at least it don't feel as bad. I can't cut his head off. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Just go ahead and take all the fur out of there. Flatten it out and then get yourself a square piece about this size right here. A 3.5 at the top and 2.5 at the side, and then just make yourself a little smiley face in the middle, and then we're going to be cutting that out, and that's going to be his little beard, and it's going to look like this, okay? This size. You don't need nothing big. So let's go ahead and use the other socks, okay guys? We're gonna cut this out. Let's cut this piece out right here. And this is gonna be the hat, okay? That's gonna be the hat. This is gonna be the arms. And this is gonna be the legs. I'm gonna start with a hat first, okay? So let's grab our hat on him. See how the hat looks on him? It looks too big. So what we're gonna do is cut this piece right here. Let me take it off. The back piece right here. We're gonna go kind of go like a angle and cut it right here, like this. Now you're gonna have it like, it's gonna look like this, okay guys? You're gonna flip this over, turn it inside out, and then we're gonna put some glue just all the way down here, just one side. Just enough glue, and then we're gonna put it on top of each other and just glue it together like that. Okay, and then we're gonna press firmly down on it, like that. Once that's dry, we're gonna flip it over and turn it. Make sure it's dry, guys, before you flip it over. Put this on him. Let's go ahead and make the two legs. And what you're gonna do with these is very simple, guys. All you're gonna do is just pull it together like that. Stretch it all the way out, just right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this one here too. Just stretch it out as far as you can. Add some glue in the center of it. Now we can do a glue gun, but I really don't want to do that because it's gonna make a mess. So we're gonna glue all the way in center of it, okay? All the way. Some glue in there. You can do both corners, both sides if you want to. Both sides. Just glue both sides. And once you do that, just pull it in like that. And what that does is that kind of seal it up so it won't be coming apart again. Okay, then we move on to the other one. See, it helps to seal it in. So then you do the same thing to this one, and then you're gonna do the same thing to these two as well. Now you have, this is the two legs we're gonna use. So at one end, you wanna put a knot at the end of it. And tie, put a nice knot right there, just like that. And do the same thing for the other side. And then you wanna do the same thing. Okay, go ahead and glue them down, guys, to reinforce it. So let's go ahead and glue it down. Let's take out the hat for right now, guys, so you can see what I'm talking about. You're gonna be gluing down and it's gonna look like this. We're gonna glue down right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other one too, both sides. The reason why I had the hat on is so you can see where the front part's gonna go. So let's go ahead and keep the hat on there. And then you're gonna be gluing it down at the back here, like this. You're gonna glue it down, okay? Do not glue the hat down right now. I'm just gonna glue this in place. Okay. Let's get the glue. And glue that part right there. And do the same thing for this one here. You should have two legs like that. Let's go ahead and do the arms. Arms does not need to be as long as the legs. You can try to make it a little shorter. So go ahead and put another knot in there if you want it shorter. If you don't, you can leave it the way it is. It should now look like this, guys. It should now come in together like that. So our next step is going to be his beard, okay? Position it how you want it to be. This is why we haven't glued the hat down yet, because the hat is helping us to kind of position it in place where we want it to be. And then we can glue it down afterwards. Now you go ahead and glue that down there, okay? That up there. And just glue right down the bottom there. All down. Like I said, you're not gluing the hat yet. You're just gluing the beard down. So put it at the bottom, glue it at the bottom of the beard. Do the same thing on this side. Put the beard up all the way and then glue it down on the bottom there. Just for it to stay in place. The hat is not glued down yet, so we're not going to glue it down just yet. Like I said, we still want to put everything in position first. So now we're gonna get our nose for him. I'm gonna use this Pon Pon cream nose. Now, Dollar Tree have these, but it don't have the color that I'm looking for, which is this cream color for his nose. So what I did was went to Joann's and purchased this big pack here. Put his nose on there. So you wanna just put his nose on that little spot that's peeking out there. That you're gonna have your little beard sticking out, the one that we cut and curved. That's the spot you wanna put that there. And glue that on there. Now we're gonna need some eyeballs. Get you some wiggly eyes. You can get these at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use the black ones. And I'm gonna put that there. Position the eyes where you want it to go, guys, okay? And I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. Glue the eyeballs on there because I feel like the hot glue gun is gonna melt the eyeballs. So we don't wanna take chances with that. So let's just go ahead and use the Dollar Tree glue. And then just glue it down there. Put it in the place that you need it to be. And then do the same thing for the other one as well. Hold it there for a minute. And then it should stick in place. What I'm gonna do is glue the hat down now, since we have everything else in place. Just glue the hat down to the side, just open it up and glue it down right there. Do the same thing at the side too as well. Make sure that's where you want it to be, and then glue it down right there. That way it doesn't go anywhere. And now we're gonna glue the back of it up. So now make sure the back part, you wanna cover the legs over so that you won't leave that messy look back there. Don't look very pretty back there with that stuff just sitting there. So we're gonna take the hat and cover it over like so. Okay, and that helps to cover that up, okay? That's where, and then you wanna glue the bottom of that up. And now it should look like this, guys. So it covers the legs and everything, all the mess back there. Look at him. I like him. So we're not finished yet. If you want, you can go a little further with this guy here and add some more furs on his arms, his legs, and his hat. Him teddy bear that we cut up, just take some pieces off of there. So just go ahead and get yourself a long strip and then cut it in half. And then you can place it over his legs over there like that, like a little boots there. And I think that's cute, and we can do the same thing for this one, and then we can do for the hands as well. And then we're gonna cut a little piece of the top, and then you're all set. Let's not forget to put the Batman symbol on there. Just remember to take it off of the sock, okay, on his hat. But I was thinking, since I have an extra piece of other socks available, I think I'm gonna put this here, this one on top, over on top of this one here. Put the other sock color on top of the other sock. Feels good. Make sure his eyeballs are showing too. You want it to peek out. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put, I like that, the sock, that on top of this. So you can do that, and then we can put that on there if you want. Guys, we'll definitely see you in the next video, guys.